How to fix camera error unable to connect problem. So if you're facing a problem with the camera, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps and go with search. Now you need to search for camera. Once you search, tap on camera application. It will take you to the app info. Now you just need to simply go with permissions, and under permissions, make sure that you allow the permission of camera. Make sure that you've chosen allow only while using the application or allow all the time if you have the option. And after that, go with microphone and make sure that you enable the microphone permission also. And after that, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, tap on storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. And you can also go with clear storage and delete. Once you've deleted your storage, you can simply again open up your camera application and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, you can check your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your camera error unable to connect problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.